In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix follow limit reached on Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting right here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to my profile. I'll just tap on my profile icon, and that takes me straight to my profile page. Once I'm here, I'm going to look for the friends section. I see it right here, so I'm tapping on friends, and that opens up my connections. Now inside this section, I'm going to switch over to the following tab. So I'm tapping on following, and this will show all the people I'm currently following. Alright, so now I can see the full list of accounts I'm following. This is important because the follow limit happens when you're following too many people. So what we're going to do is remove some of them. At this point, I'm just scrolling through the list and picking a person I want to unfollow. So I'm selecting one from the list, and now I'm going to tap on the following button next to their name. Once I tap that, I get the option to unfollow. So I'm clicking on unfollow to remove that person from my following list. Now after that, I'm tapping on update to make sure the change is applied, and just like that, that account is no longer being followed. Now we're going to do the same thing again for a few more accounts, because usually you need to unfollow several people to fix the limit. So I'm scrolling down, picking another person, tapping on following, then clicking unfollow, and again tapping update. And I'll repeat that one more time. Scroll, select a person, tap following, click unfollow, and then tap update. So as you can see, it's the same process each time. You just go through your following list and remove some accounts until you're under the limit. Once that's done, Facebook will allow you to follow new people again without showing the follow limit reached message. So just to quickly go over it again while we're here, you go to Facebook, open your profile, tap on friends, go to following, select a person, tap following, choose unfollow, tap update, and then repeat that for a few accounts. And that's it. It's a simple fix, and once you've unfollowed enough accounts, your follow limit issue should be resolved and everything will work normally again.